Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to get back Spotify account. That is literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you've lost access to your Spotify account on Windows PC, you can follow these steps to regain access. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you recover your account. First method, if you've forgotten your password or can't log in, resetting your password is the first step. Go to the Spotify login page, link in the description below. Click on the Forgot Your Password. Enter the email address associated with your Spotify account. Click the Send Link button. Spotify will send the password reset link to your email. Open your email inbox. Find the email from Spotify. Click on Reset Password and follow the link provided to reset your password. Enter a new password and confirm it. Return to the Spotify website and log in with your new password. Next method, if you're unable to reset your password or suspect your account has been compromised, contacting Spotify support is the next step. Go to the Spotify support on your web browser. Choose the relevant topic, such as account help, and then choose an issue like can't log in. They will provide methods to help you resolve the issue. If you don't remember your email address, you can use alternative ways to access your account, such as using your phone number, Facebook, Apple, or Google to find your account. Last method, if you no longer have access to the email address associated with your account, use the account recovery form. Go to the Spotify account recovery page, link in the description below on your browser, then hit Start Messaging, then click No Thanks. Provide details such as your username, any email addresses you might have used, and any other information that can help Spotify identify your account. Spotify support team will review your request and get back to you with further steps. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.